Today we are going to be doing a whole vanity reset. Because it is pretty messy. I feel kind of embarrassed to show it. I just haven't had time to really deep clean my vanity. Also, guys, I got bangs and I'm not too sure yet how to style them, and this is like third day hair. Let me know what you guys think about them. If you don't like them, actually don't say anything because it's gonna hurt my feelings. I know people complain that styling them every day can get annoying, but so far I really like them. But just look at the top of my vanity right now. Everything in my cubbies is not where it's supposed to be. I have my concealers in my lip area. My eyelash curler isn't supposed to be here. I do keep most of my skincare and sprays in here, but like this is with my brushes. I need to clean my brushes too. My eyelash curler, lip liner is right here for some reason. This is what I really want to get organized the most. These drawers are pretty unorganized too, but I don't think they're as bad as the top. A lot of this stuff is just not where it's supposed to be. Before I get started cleaning my vanity, it is pretty late at night right now, and I need some energy that'll get me going to actually do this. So I made a sweet potato brownie because I'm also trying to be healthy, and this is all from a sweet potato, and it tastes exactly like a brownie. I was running low on parchment paper again, so it doesn't look the cleanest, but it's okay. Look at this, guys. It's fluffy, everything exactly like a brownie. I got this cup from Nicaragua and it's so cute. It's also handmade. I love it so much. Always love putting on a little podcast or a YouTube video to watch in the meantime.
We're starting off by removing everything I have on the top of my vanity so I have a clean surface to remove all of my makeup products. That way I can also wipe down the surface inside of the drawers because I haven't done that in a while, if I'm gonna be honest. But also, guys, I am a little bit congested right now and a bit sick, so that's why my voice sounds like that. I feel like every time I'm gonna do a voiceover, something is going on with my voice. Anyways, now that we took everything out, I'm taking this cleaner and I'm wiping down every single makeup product that I have because they're all really dirty. They have makeup on it, lip gloss on it. It's just really gross, so it's time to really deep clean that. This is me showing you guys some of my favorite blushes from Rhode. This one is in Spicy Marg, the next one is Toasted Teddy, and then I also like one from Rare Beauty. Don't remember the name on this one. And what I like about them is that they've been able to work for me in the fall and summertime because of the shades. Actually, I take that back. I think Spicy Marg from Rhode is a bit more summery, and these primers are another one of my favorites. I love e.l.f. so much. I think that's like a dream collaboration for me, is with e.l.f. I really like a good e.l.f. dupe, but now I'm showing you my favorite concealer, one of my favorite concealers. The only thing that I hate about this concealer is its packaging. This is what makes all of my other products dirty because it always leaks. It's so frustrating. I'm kind of thinking about depotting it too. And for concealer, I would say it doesn't really conceal that much. I think it's more of a color corrector for me personally. That's what I use it for. Another thing I've been putting off is actually wiping down my containers and cleaning them because it's so tedious, but I finally got it done, and now I can put back, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, now I can put back all of my clean products inside the organizers, and I did reorganize it in a different way this time, and these are little things that make a big difference. And since I told myself we're already deep cleaning everything, I might as well deep clean my makeup brushes, which I haven't cleaned in a few months, probably maybe a year, I don't know. I'm just being real, but I got this cleaning mat from Five Below and I love it so much, and I just use regular Dawn dish soap. I've never had any problems with it. It doesn't make my brush hairs fall out or make them feel stiff or anything like that. Considering I haven't washed them in a while, I thought this was gonna look so much worse. I thought the water was gonna be almost dark brown, but surprisingly it's not that bad.
These are all my makeup brushes, all cleaned, and my sponges. I forgot what color they were. Now all of these are clean and I'm gonna let them air dry. This has been something that I've been putting off for so long, so I'm glad that I finally did it. My light died, guys, so ignore the different lighting. Now I'm gonna get to doing these drawers, which I feel like are not as bad. You can see some of these in the bottom right there. It's still pretty organized. I just need to put some of these things back where they belong instead of just throwing everything. We're just gonna take everything out. Oh my gosh, this is so gross. All my hair. This is hands down my favorite hair, body, face oil ever. I got it in Turkey, guys, and it smells so good. I'm trying not to use it that much on my body anymore because, like I said, I got it in Turkey and I've been trying to look everywhere online where I can get it. So I want to use it wisely now. If you guys know where I can get this hair oil, please let me know in the comments. This hair oil is also really good and a little bit goes a long way. And my dad got this for me in Nicaragua. I had never used Day products before until I tried their dry shampoo. I've also been using this 3-in-1 styling cream and I want to get the bigger tub of the styling cream, but I think this is good for now, and when I run out I'll get the bigger size, but I feel like it's perfect to just have in my bag. Oh my gosh. I've been looking everywhere for this and it was right here the entire time. Look, that's so annoying. Thank God I didn't buy another one. I was this close to buying one. I want to show you guys some cute little PR that I got. I got DP Hue's dry shampoo. And some of these are tinted. And this one is a tinted medium brown. Usually when I have bald spots in my hair, when I do a bun or just have my hair up in general, I always put eyeshadow in it. Having a dry shampoo that is tinted and then to just kind of spot the little areas would be just as good or even better. You know I'm always using Youth to the People, but they sent me their retinol collagen peptide plant protein balm. It's an overnight face mask. It's a face and neck moisturizer. They are also clean and cruelty free. Okay guys, my vanity is all nice and clean. Let me give you guys a little tour of my vanity really quick. We have my Mickey Mouse ears here that Lorenz got for me when we first met actually. This doll right here is from Nicaragua. It's like a traditional doll. Had one ever since I was a kid and I have no idea what my mom did with them. When I was able to go back recently, I got this little mini version of it and it's just so cute. It's very nostalgic for me. Also, this vanity is from Amazon. Right here, I have some sunglasses and here I have other sunglasses that were from Turkey. And they're supposed to be a Celine dupe. I think they're so cute and I love the frame. Ignore the clothes in the back. I need to put that away, but I've never had like designer sunglasses. So I think these are good to just see. I like having a handheld mirror so I can see my makeup better and more like up close. I got this one from TJ Maxx. Yep, TJ Maxx. Just keep all of my jewelry, some bracelets, earrings. I have most of my skincare setting spray right here. I have a lash serum. This one is the Grande Lash. I keep extra things right here on the side, like a headband, the mat to clean my brushes, this glove for when I do my hair, and some clips. It helps the drawers not move around that much. I keep my makeup brushes typically right here, but I just have this. I always put my makeup brushes right here, but since they're drying, I just put these little face clips in the meantime. Tweezers, eyelash glue. This is so good for brows. Never tried the brow glue that they have, but I got this one a while ago, I think last year, and I'm just waiting to use all of it up so I can try the spoolie version. See, this is what I mean. Like, I think I might have to put something back here. I'll put this here to keep these from moving. So I have my powders over here, my foundations, concealers on this side, lip glosses on this side, and my lip liners on this side, sunscreen and primer, which is what I reach for literally every day. Blushes over here, lotions, hand cream. Wait, I forgot to show this side on my desk. I have two of my favorite perfumes right here on the side. I don't really reach for this one too much, but I just like how it looks on my vanity. But I do love this Valentino one. This is one of my favorite perfumes. Then I have my laptop. The stickers are from Amazon. Over here, you guys saw it's mostly hair products, but I organized it so much better. I have my hairbrushes on this side, overnight rollers, bobby pins, clips, scrunchies, and then more hair products. Down here, it's kind of a junk drawer and just very random. I have some makeup pouches, hair clips, gel, extra lash clusters, extra chargers. That's why it's kind of like a random junk drawer. Over here is where I keep all my electronics. I have my DS, tripod, different attachments for my camera, some of my SD cards, and one of my favorite Nintendo games, which is Cooking Mama. And I have my microphone over here that I use to do my voiceovers, which you guys already heard the quality on that. I feel like it's very good. I got it on TikTok Shop a long time ago, and this bag is from Sweetly, and I think it fits perfectly. I don't ever typically show under here because I feel like it's very hard to keep this organized. I just have a lot of hair tools, and then I have a laser hair removal thing. I have a blow dryer in there. As many times as I've tried to organize this, it just always looks like this, so I just leave that how it is. And then down here under my vanity, my tripod and another light that I used to film sometimes. The weight off my shoulders now that it is all organized. That is everything for my vanity makeover slash tour. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other videos you guys would want to see next. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.